Okay. Hi, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes.
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 Okay, I'm sorry for being late.
Yes.
You guys ready? Let's begin.
Yes.
Holy.
Yes.
Okay, guys, please
Yeah.
mute your mic unless you want to ask questions, okay?
Okay.
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 Guys,
Okay.
please mute your mic unless you want to ask questions. Okay, we're already late. I'm so sorry for being late. Okay. Have you guys answered the mock test?
Yes.
Welcome to our session.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, do you not have the mock test? Okay. At least we have this session then so that you guys can prepare. Okay, so here are the instructions. So this is a mock test. This was supposed to be a mock test of the real exam. Okay, so here are the instructions of when you get there. So each contestant will have a one question answer book, which cannot be taken away. There are going to be 5 exam areas and 6 questions in each exam area. So with a total of 30 questions, each will carry 5 marks for correct answers. And no points will be deducted for incorrect answers. So all answers should be written on an answer sheet. So you're gonna be given an answer sheet. You guys are gonna be given an answer sheet,
Yeah.
and so you won't have to bring your own solving papers too. They were gonna give you. Yes.
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 Oh, guys, don't annotate, please.
Mm.
Oh, for online exam, some instructions will be given before, I think a week before. Guys, don't annotate, please. So you're gonna answer in a website, okay? And you're gonna write the answers there. So you guys can compute you bring your own in a room. You're gonna be in a room, right? You get your own papers and pens, and you're gonna compute. But your answers will be written in the website. Okay. Yes. Let's see.
What if we are online?
Wait. Sorry, I can't hear you. Wait.
Yeah. What if we are online?
Oh, okay. You're gonna answer you're gonna answer on the website. They're gonna send the website for you guys so that you'll see the questions there and you'll also put your answers there. Okay. What else? Yes?
Wait, so only like the ones online or get to use the website, while the ones who arrive at the at the venue are the ones to answer on the paper, not the website.
Oh wait, sorry. Wait, I can't hear you. Wait a bit. Can you say that? Okay, can you say it again? Sorry. What was that?
Okay, I see.
Where is the link?
Why is it? What was the question?
Where is the link? What is the link?
For the website. You're gonna be sent after a few days, I think. You're gonna send it to you. Guys, stop annotating, please. Okay, let's begin now because we're very late.
Hiểu cái gì luôn?
Okay.
Quy định thống kê nhưng mà các bạn không hiểu. Không được sử dụng máy tính. Chả hiểu gì cả.
Okay. So let's begin.
Very quickly.
Yes.
Guys, if you have questions, please write it in chat, okay? Just write it in the chat box and I'll look back later. Okay, number 1. Amy gets 68 marks, 78 marks, and 95 marks in the Chinese exam, the English exam, and the mathematics exam, respectively. So if she has an average of 84 marks on the Chinese, English, mathematics, and science exam, how many marks did she get in the science exam? Okay, first we know that she has an average of 84 on all the 4 subjects. Okay, we have the average. Let's say X. Oh wait, yeah, this is the average, so 84. And that she had 68 for the Chinese exam. She has 78 and 95 for the English and mathematics exam. So first we know that to get an average, to get the value of an average, the formula is you add all the scores, so like the sum of scores over the number of tests for this question, okay? The sum of scores over the number of tests. This is going to be the average. So we know that it's 84, the average. Sorry, I'm gonna write it here. And then for the sum of the scores, we know 3 scores. So I'm just gonna substitute it them here. So this is the Chinese score, the score for the English exam, and the score for the math exam. We don't know the score for the science exam yet. So we're gonna say it's S. The answer is here so that you can, yeah, it's a review. Yes, this is a review so you can see if the number you answered is correct. So you can get the sum, but not exactly because we don't have the score for the science class, for the science test. So I put it as S. Then you divide by the number of tests, which is 4 tests. Oops. Okay. So to compute this one, let's get the sum. Guys, if you have questions, write it in the chat, okay? Write it in the chat, please, so that I can read all of them. So we add first 68 here, 78 and 95. We add all of them, and we'll get how much? 78 and 90. So 16, 21, we have 13, 15, 24, 241 plus S over 4. Then just multiplying 4 to both sides, we'll get 6, 103, equal to 241 plus S. So from here, we can just transpose 241 to the other side. So it becomes negative 241. It's positive 336. Okay, so now we have, let me erase this. Now we have negative 4 plus 336 is equal to S. Just solving for that, just subtracting 241 from 336, we have 5, then 24, 33 minus 24, borrow, and then there. So now we have the score of the science. Okay.
I can excuse me, but are you teaching the student how to do the test, or you are letting the student doing the test? Huh?
Oh, I think the mock test was sent before, or were they not sent before? I'm sorry.
We
No. were sent before.
My mom tell me that I will do the final mock test.
The mock test tomorrow.
Yes, the mock test tomorrow.
Today is
today is fixing the answers only.
Yes, yes. Today I will explain
Answer.
the answers to the questions of the mock test. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, behave, okay? Don't write bad words in the chat.
Too
It's
much
not good
chat.
luck. It's bad luck.
Too much chat.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, we have S here. So next problem. The sum, wait, okay. The sum of the father's and mother's age is 179. If the age of the father is 4 years later is the same as the age of mother 7 years ago, how old is mother now? Okay, let the father's age be F. Okay? Okay. The answer is here already. So
I do it all.
hello?
At
Oh, it's
home,
gonna be-
yesterday my mom sent to me and I print and I do the answer. We are checking the answers. Okay, bro.
If you guys have answered, you can use this chance to check your solutions and to see if your answers are correct. Okay? If you don't know the way to solve it, I'm gonna teach you guys. Okay? So just listen. So did you guys, if you, okay. Do you know the answer to this one? Well, it's already here.
Yes.
Who got correct? You have someone had 38. Okay.
Me.
Yeah, well, you already saw it. But the way to solve it here is, let's let F be the father's age.
I
N
don't
be the
know.
mother's age. Okay, and the goal here is to write the question into an equation so that we can solve it.
Okay.
So if the age of the father is 4 years later, the same as the age of the mother 7 years ago. So how old is mother now? So let's write it. If age of the father, so F, 4 years later. So after 4 years, we're gonna add 4 to his age. And it's the same as the age of mother, so M, 7 years ago. So we subtract N from mother's age. So we subtract 7 from mother's age. So now we have this equation. We also know that the sum of father's and mother's ages is 79. So F is M 70.
Pasan naman Miss, they are spamming in chat.
Guys, 54. Why is it 54?
I don't know, but why they spamming the number 5, 45, and 55.
What?
They are spamming letter 4, letter 45, number 5, and number 45 in the chat.
They're just spamming numbers.
Yeah, don't spam, guys. You need to stop.
Y'all are breaking my notification.
Can you use the
You are breaking the chat.
Can you use the boost to stop them chatting?
Wait, let me see. Wait, guys.
Are you the host?
You guys have to stop.
If you are the host, you can block the chat.
Wait.
Are you the host?
Yes.
It's a co-host, but I'm not sure how to do it. Let me see.
Chat box, but I can't send it because people keep spamming. Can I say my
Who is
question?
the
Po?
host?
Okay, you can just ask me directly. Okay, what is it?
Teacher, for the on-site participants, will we be the ones to print the answer sheet or will it be provided po?
Yeah, it will be provided. Don't worry.
Thank you po.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you guys, stop. Now that we have these two equations, Oops. Guys, if you have chat, guys, stop spamming the chat, please. I can turn it off. Let me see. Give me a second. Why is it? Chat.
No. Yapping so much.
Oh,
Everyone yapping so much.
Yeah.
okay, wait.
Yap. Let me yap more.
Hmm?
But
Don't spamming.
I see Nguyễn Đinh Minh Dung still spamming the letter 4 and letter 5.
they're always spamming.
Wait, how do I stop the chat?
I see someone tell the answer is 45, but I think my answer is 44. The mother always 44.
That says 45. 45. 45.
Okay, can you just close the chat box, guys, so that you won't see it. All right.
Yeah, close it.
If you want to ask, okay, you have to raise your hand. I'm gonna call you.
Cancel showing chat preview so it won't disturb you.
Yeah, to close it. Okay, let's continue. Sorry. So we have these two equations. Repeating in my ear. We have two equations. So I'm gonna let this one. I'm gonna isolate f. So I'm gonna transpose m to the other side. It's gonna become 79 minus m. And then I'm gonna substitute.
What?
Miss, I have
Value.
easy. Miss, I have easy
Yes.
solution.
Can you share
I have
it?
easy solution. Okay. So 79. 79 plus 4 because father 4 years later. So 83. 83 minus 7 because mother 7 years ago. Then it will become 74. So 70, wait. So 83 then 74. No, wait. Oh, 76.
Đây, 79.
And 76 divided by 2, it will become 38. 38 plus 7 because modern 7 years ago. But since we already minus and it's supposed to be the present time, it will become 38 plus 7
7.
equals 45. That's the answer.
Okay, it's good. It's good that you have a shorter way. So some of them, right? 4 years ago. So I see. So yeah. You have to sub.
And to double check, you can also get the father's age and then add them
Add them, yes. Yes, that's
if
correct.
you want to double check.
So what's your name? Okay, what's Brent said is you add
Then
4,
Lyle Hamego.
70 becomes 83. And in here it's gonna be the same as the age of mother 7 years ago. Wait, what? Okay, so the sum now is, how did you get that? So do I subtract 7 here?
I think I do like different from you.
Okay, if you guys have easier solutions, you can just use them, okay? But for those who don't know, I'm just gonna let this one because if I listen to you guys' solutions, okay, it's gonna be very long, very long. But if you want to share it, guys, if you guys want to teach the others, please type it na lang so that they can look at the chat. Okay? If you guys have solutions easier. So I'm gonna let f here be this value and then substitute it in the first equation. Okay, so we have f is 79 minus m. And then we have plus 4 and it's equal to m minus 7. And here, just add the like terms. So we have 79 plus 4, so 83. Then minus m and m minus 7. Then just transposing m to the other side. This. So plus m. Transposing 7 to the other side. So plus 7. We have here 90. Oops. Okay, number 2 pa lang tayo. We have 90. It's equal to 2m. And dividing both sides by 2, we have m is equal to 45. It's a pretty straightforward solution. But if you are used to it, you can solve it quicker. Okay? Move on to the next number. Basta, the final answer here is 45. So good job for those who got it. Okay, for those who have raised their hands. First, Nguyen Tin Hai. Hi, what is it? Okay, wala.
Here.
Okay, you guys don't have to type the answer now.
So
Just
easy.
listen. So Ming's grandmother's age this year. Adds 4, multiplies 7, minuses 79, and divides by 10. And the result will be 60 years old. So how old is Ming's grandmother this year? So here we have 60. Okay, since in this solution, you're gonna go backwards. So he divided 10 last. So what's the opposite of dividing by 10? It's gonna be multiplying by 10. We have 60 here. So we multiply it by 10. And then before that, he subtracted 79. So we're gonna add it. Okay? We're gonna add it here. So first 60. After all of this, the result is 60. So to reverse it, I'm gonna go backwards. So last he did divided by 10. So I'm gonna multiply 10 here. And then he subtracted 79. So I'm gonna add 79. And then multiplied 7. So I'm gonna divide the whole expression by 7. And then last, first he added 4. So I'm gonna subtract. Basically, we just reverse everything he did. Guys, stop spamming the chat, please. So if we compute for this, we need to do 60 times 10 first. See, m does, right? Multiplication goes first, and division, addition, and subtraction. So 600. So plus 79. It's gonna be 670. We're gonna multiply 7. So gonna be 679 times 7, 349. Oh wait, 360.
That's not multiply, that's divide.
Oh my. Thank you for that. Divide. Thank you.
Teacher, I think it's not necessary to chat the answer in the chat box because you already know it. And I see there are some people like Nguyễn Đình Minh Trung grade 4. He is chatting, he is shouting at the people, the student who tells stop chatting, and he tell the others chat more.
Okay, Tran Minbao. Guys, don't do this, okay? Just close the chat box, guys, and mute it if you can.
They can't.
You can't?
Yep.
Or
Can't mute?
I think you
And you just have to press the like button going upwards and click the one that says show chat previews.
Wait a minute.
Ayun.
Okay, wait lang. Show chat previews.
I think there's one that says stop chat.
They're crazy.
Can you block the chat?
Is that good now? Okay. Guys, click stop chat previews, okay? Let's
Yep.
move on.
But Vũ Đồng Chung Quay 4 is a Vietnamese, but he used the bad word in Vietnam to tell the others.
Just close the chat box, guys.
They can't.
This, I think, let's disable chat and will co-host tools or host tools thing.
Yeah, use your elbow to shut the chat.
Wait, I can't find the button. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, wait a bit.
Who is Coach Cassandra?
Yeah. Been 30 minutes, indeed. I need to continue. You guys have to stop chatting.
Who is Coach Cassandra?
It's me, guys. I'm Coach Cassandra.
And then there's Coach Cassandra 1.
Yeah, that's the PowerPoint. Okay.
I think you don't need to care about the chat. Keep
Yeah, guys.
teaching.
Just leave it. Just leave the chat. Okay. We have 679 divided by 7 here. So what's that going to be? It's gonna be
It is 93.
10 billion.
and then 93. So
Yeah. It's 97.
yeah, 90. Oh yeah, 7.
Oh.
And then
97.
4 here. And then you'll get 93. Thank you, guys.
Yes.
Let's move on. That's the correct answer. The 1st of September is Saturday. In the same year, the HKISO 2018 will be held on 16th December. So how many days is or are remaining to hold the event? So we just have to count the days starting from the 1st of September until 16th, until we get to 16th of December. So September has 30 days. Yes. If you want to know how to count it, you just look at your knuckles and start from the first knuckle, that's 31, it's January. And then in the between, the space in between, it's gonna be 30. So that's gonna be February. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July. And so it's gonna be 31 days, 30 days, 31, 30, 31. Except for February. Okay. Because February always has, well, not always, has 28 days and 29 days in a leap year. Let's write the number of days first. So October.
We plus the date in the month.
October hat.
Yeah, the number of days in a month.
Yeah.
And then December. So in October, there are 31 days. November, there are 30 days. And since we are only looking for 16th December, it's going to be plus 16th here. Okay.
Yeah.
So starting from 1st December, we have, okay, we're going to subtract 1 here because we started from the 1st of September. That's why we have 29 in here. And then we just add 31 here for October.
This is October,
For December,
and
November, and then December 6th. If you add them all up, it's gonna be 106. Okay, it's the final answer. Let's move on. Now we add two numbers. One number's 10th digit is written from 4 correctly to 8 wrongly, and another number's 100th digit is written from 6 correctly to 2 wrongly. The sum is 7,328. What is the correct sum? Okay.
Miss, I just realized this question has been reused a lot of times.
Yeah, some questions are
I've seen this in
repeat.
the 2024, in the 2023, and now in 2025, this is reused again. 3 years in a row. Miss, I think this has been reused 3 years in a row.
Okay.
Because I watched some review videos and I saw this video. I saw this question in 2023, 2024.
So we have two numbers. Wait lang.
So I already know answer.
But some probably don't know, right? This session's gonna be for until we finish all the questions. So we have the sum here.
We do the opposite.
To 8 wrong. Another number 6 correctly, 2 wrongly. So 3, 4. So at first it was the 10th digit was from 4 wrong, and then 8. 8 is wrong. And another number's 100th digit is written from 6 correctly. So 6. 2 wrongly. 100th digit. The sum is this one. Okay. 4 correctly, 8 wrongly, and there's 6 correctly. Hello? 2 wrongly. 2 wrongly. Okay. Oh, we don't know if there are, how many digits there are. Okay. So let's have 1, 2, 3, 4. And the sum were 7, 3, 28. Once number's 10 digit is written from 4 correctly. So 8 to 8 wrongly here. Why is it? We have two numbers. 8. And we're adding them. Huh. Okay, wait. I think I'm gonna have to figure this one out first. Let's move on. I'm gonna go back to this one later. Okay. Number 6 muna. Let's go with number 6 first. So now there are 11 matches. Amy and Bruce take matches in order from 1 to 2 matches. Who gets the last match will be the winner. Amy starts first. How many matches does she need how many does she need to get to ensure that she will win? So we know that it's 11 matches, and then Amy goes first. Amy and then Bruce, and then Amy and then Bruce, right? So how many does Amy need to make sure to get so that she wins? Well, we just have to know. Okay, from 1 to 2 matches, right? Amy just needs to make sure that after Bruce gets 1 or 2, either 1 or 2, the sum of what she will get will be 3. Because, okay, 1 or 2. Bruce can either pick 1 or 2. So if Bruce picks 1, she's going to have to pick 2. And if Bruce picks 2, she's going to have to pick 1 so that the sum is 3. Why do we need this? Because we make sure that there are 3 3's in 11, right? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. And if she maintains the sum of 3 in each of the orders that they pick, she will eventually end up with the excess that's not divisible by 3, the excess. Okay? So if she makes sure that the sum of what they get, what happened? if she makes sure that the sum of what they pull out is 3, she's gonna end up with 2 for the last one. Okay, so that's why we have here 11 minus. That's why we have here 11 minus a multiple of 3. Because no matter how many times they do this, it's gonna add up to 3 every time. And so if we keep subtracting 3 and 3 and 3, it's gonna be 2 left. So if she just picks 2 left in the beginning, then in the end, she's gonna be the last one to pick. As long as she keeps adding them up to 3 when Bruce picks. Okay.
Coach,
Yes.
can you try to write a bit more better because I have hard time understanding.
Oh yeah, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to write better. Thank you for saying.
Can you erase the
Find the
red?
value of.
Can you erase the red line? The red
Don't
line
mind
there?
it, guys. Don't mind it.
I can't see.
It's all right. I'm gonna try to erase it later. See, it's not functioning. So find the value of this sum. So you could go about this straight directly adding each of them up. But to make it easier, you have to pair them up so that some values add up to the same result. For example, 15. We add 13. We add 13 to 27. Gonna be 40. Okay. If I add 14 to 26, gonna be 40. So if we keep doing that, 15, 25, or 16, let me erase. For 16 and 24, for 17 and 23, for 18 and 22, for 19 and 21, and then 20 as no pair. Also, we have 28 left, 29 left, and 30 left.
Is 20?
We know that these are all equal to 40, right? So just to add the sum, I can't erase the red. To add the sum, just get this plus how many 40s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 40. So this is easier.
3, 8, 7.
80 plus the sum of this is going to be 7, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. So it's 7. Wait, no, it's
8,
7, 1.
7, 8,
6,
3.
9. It's done. So 387.
387 is hours.
Okay, another way to do this is here. It's easier. I think this is easier. Just pair them up. Count the number of pairs and then just add. Okay, next.
How?
How?
It's so big.
What is big? Oh, the number?
The hour.
What if there's a lot of numbers?
Well, if you can, it's only pairing up.
Is there
right?
a faster formula? Kay?
Okay, well, we have this here. 13 plus 30. Oh yeah, instead of pairing it by 40, you can just pair them like 13 and 30, 14 and 29. This is equal to 43. 43. And that's what we did here.
No, like, is there a faster
Yeah.
formula for
I have a
solving?
different formula.
Okay, wait. Which is faster? There's also the sum of n. If you guys know the formula, sum of n numbers. So if you add the sum of the first 30 numbers, 1 to 30, you have 30 over 2 times
And we
1 plus
multiply it
30. Okay, and then you just subtract this one from the sum, the first 12. So 1 plus 12. You compute this. It's going to be 6 times 13 and 15 times 31. Just subtract it. And then you'll get the answer. This is one. You want to have fewer trial and errors. Okay.
You can put 20, 30.
Okay, moving on.
30.
Find the value of this.
Yeah.
Okay. 11,111 times the same number.
It's
So
1, 2, 3,
easier
4,
way
5.
to do this.
I think we only need to multiply because it's
One,
only
two,
number
three,
one.
4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah,
It's like go up and then go down.
it's just adding up the same number again and again.
Yeah.
Wait, like this. You stack them up, right? Since there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just gonna be like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We just need to do that like a stairs.
Yeah, like a stairs. Number 9.
Miss, there's actually, wait, can you go back to number 8? There's a easier
Okay.
solution. What the explain this, the the smaller amount, for example, the smaller one has 3 ones. That's the number you will count up to, and the bigger one is
Yes.
now how much more the bigger one is how much extra. Example, 111 times 11,111. The minimum has 3 ones, so it will go up to 1, 2, 3. But since there are 2 extra, there will be 2 more ones, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. Here we have, since they're equal, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, we can do the same thing. Wait, you're saying for a problem like this, right? For a problem like this?
But this solution is easier.
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
You think so? Well, there are some that's easier for others and some that's harder for others too, right? If you don't, okay. If you want, you can choose the solution. So for this one, so 1's digit is gonna be times 1 here. And that's what they did for all the repeating ones. Wait. Basically, in the example, the digits are added in between, right? So like 1. So 1, 2, and then 1. Because we have 1 here, and we add 2. We add 2, and then there's 1 here.
Teacher, what
Okay,
what time do we end?
2 p.m.
Yeah, I think it was in your schedule. The schedule is 1 to 3. Okay. As long as it multiplies to something that's 1, 1, that has 1, 1, 1 as the digits, you can just repeat it. For example, 234 times 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, we have 234, 134, 134. Yeah. And then just 4, 7, 7, 9, 2. So I think, okay, you can use this one as well. Next, find the value of this expression. Notice that they have a sum here, and that there is a 209 in each product. So we can just factor that out and leave behind their pairs. So 50 Factoring out 209, we have 50 left, we have 30 left, and we have 20 left. Okay. So yeah, just adding the numbers inside the parentheses, you have 100, and then multiplying them, you have 20,900.
Yeah.
Okay. Look for the factors so that it's easier to solve it. My laptop is next. Wait, guys, I'm sorry. What's happening?
What is that?
It's in my PC. Wait.
Right. Holy.
Okay, next. Find the value of. Okay, now it's divide. Okay. So if we write this in fraction form, I guess you can just straight up divide it. Yeah, just divide. 2,400 divided by 8. 2,400. It's gonna be 300, right?
300.
Yeah, so that's how we have this. And then just divide the next one.
Next one is 800.
Yes. And then divide 4,000 by 10. So we have 400. And just add them up. Okay. Just remember that if you have something like this, you start based off das. This is multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So this side goes first. And then subtraction goes last.
Miss, what if the numbers that we're supposed to divide is not divisible?
Okay, wait, let's see.
What's that? Wait, so
7,400 over 8. I'm going to write it in a fraction. So, if it's not divisible, what can you do?
It's one.
If you know how to add in fraction, guys, you can get the LCM of 8, 4, and 10. Let's say that they were not divisible, okay? So 2,401 or 3,201. Okay, the same, let's have the same. So we take the LCM of 8, 4, and 10. That's going to be 8 2 times 4 is equal to 4 times 5. LCM is 8 times 5, so 40. And then we have 40, right? We have to transfer these values into here. So to do that, we need to divide 40 by 8, then multiply the denominator, the numerator. Then do the same for the other terms. And you'll get a pretty big number. And you're going to have to add them up. And after that, you just simplify and then you get the final answer. Okay. If they're not divisible, it's going to be a fraction. Or if you guys prefer, you can go with a decimal. So decimals are numbers with the point, right? So let's say 2,401 over 8. Instead of using a fraction, you can just divide it directly and then get a number. So we have 3, 3, 0.1. Okay, ask them if decimals are allowed and how many decimal digits should you answer last. So in this case, we have 300.125. I can just use this and compute for the other quotients. Just add them up. If they're not divisible, they're gonna become a point. You're gonna become a decimal. So you can just use that too. Okay. Number 11. Find the value of. Okay, it's another one. 192 divided by 8. So is it divisible by 8? Let's see. 16, 32, 4. Okay, we have 24. So next, 192 divided by 16. Oh, it's the same number over. Since they are divisible, you can just divide these ones, okay? They are divisible. So 12. So we have that, and then 192 divided by 32. We have 6. 2, 1. Okay, so adding them up, 24 plus 12 plus 6 is 42. Next question. Find the value of, okay, it's a big sum. So earlier we paired up the smaller values, right? We're gonna try to find pairs here that add up to the same values too. So
Miss, like we need to find two number is a
Miss, may I screenshot number 11?
Okay, sure.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Yeah, no problem. Next, well,
Miss,
you can look.
Do we have break?
What?
Miss, it's already halfway, and we aren't even halfway to the questions.
1 more hour. We
Yeah,
will finish.
we're a bit, yeah, we're a bit late, but I think we can catch up.
Can you speed up?
Yes, I will. Thank you. So you can add.
Can you show me number 11 again, please?
Okay, just one last time. Okay. Good. So we just look for, okay, look at the last digits and see if they add up to 10. That way, at least it's a bit easier to add them up. If they have the same last digits. Okay, if you can find a pair that when you add them, when you add their last two digits, okay. So here, you add them, they add up to 100. And that's even better. So here, we can see that 43 and 57 add up to 100. So we can pair up 143 and 757. Yeah, we can pair them up. Looking at the others, we can see that this pairs to this one. And 998 pairs up with 2. And then 247 pairs up with 257, 753. So that's how you can find good pairs. Just look at their last digits and see if they add up to 10 or 100 for the last two digits. That way it's gonna be easier to add them all up. So here it's 0, 0, 8, no, 9. Yeah, 9. Okay, and then 0, 1, 0, 1, 1000. Maybe 1000 for the rest. It's much easier if you have zeros. Zeros have 9, have 3. Okay, next number. If a 9-digit number is divisible by 16, Find the value of 8. Okay. 136. Yeah. So for a number
26 can be
divisible by 16 has to be
Yeah.
divisible by its last 3 digits of A. Have to be divisible by 8. 8. 16 is 4 times 4.
Need to divide 4, 8 and 2.
Yeah, so it's divisible by 8. 17. Yeah. So it's 130. So you're gonna have to try the digits from 1 to 9. So 131. Not divisible by 16, obviously. So we can just actually cross out the odd numbers. You were supposed to try them all out, but since we're dividing by 16, odd numbers aren't gonna be the answer. So you can just try 132. Can it be divisible by 8? So 8, 1, 2. No. So cross it out. So same with 4, 134. 1, 8, 54. Not divisible either. So 136. You'll find it's gonna be divisible. So we know that the value of A is 6. You can just try out values. Since if it's divisible by 16, the last 3 digits need to be divisible by 8. You can just try from 1 to 9, but cross out the odd numbers because it's not gonna be the answer.
Miss.
Yes?
Wait,
Number 14.
in number 13, I have easy solution.
Miss, can I go toilet?
Yes, you can go.
In number 13, the divisibility rule of 9 is if you add all individual numbers, it will equal to divisible of 9, then it's divisible by 9. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus 3 equals 20. Now the next number. Oh wait. Kala ko nakalagay divisible by 9.
Yeah, by 16.
It was baliktad.
So if you want to, you can search the divisibility rules of the numbers from 1 to 10 so that you have a good idea of how to solve questions like this. Okay, it's better to have the knowledge. Okay. So for number 14, find the unit digit of 25 fours times 12 sixes. Okay, well, let's find if there are repeating digits. What's 4? 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Wait, sorry. Listen na lang. And then 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Oh, wait. 4 times 16. If we have this right, this is 4 times 4. 16 times 4. 64. Yes, you can see for the digits of 4, when you multiply 4s consecutively, it's going to be 4, 6, 4, 6. Notice also that 6 times 4 has a last digit of 4. Okay, notice that lang. Okay, so we know that 4. Okay. So 1, 4. Wait. Here. There's 1 4 here. There's 2 4s, there's 6. The last digit is 6. If there's 3 4s, the last digit is 4. So if the number of 4s are odd, the last digit is 4. Okay, And since you have 25 fours here, its last digit is going to be 4 too. 4. Okay, and next for the number 6. Let's also find the last digits if we keep multiplying it. Okay, so we have 6. We have 6 times 6. It's 36. 6 is repeating. 6 times 6 times 6. 216. So we all know that how many 6 are there, the last digit is also going to be 6. So now we know that the last digits of the two of them. So we can just multiply 4 times 6, 24, and find that the last digit is also 4. Okay, since we're only looking at the unit digit or the last digit, we're only gonna consider those in our solutions too. So that's why I didn't compute for the exact values of these big numbers. Next question. How many factors does 100 have? So to find out, we have a formula. So first we need to get the prime factorization of a number, which is here. The prime factorization of 100 is 2 squared times 5 squared. And then to count the number of factors, you just have to get their exponents. So there's 2 factors, right? 1, 2. And then we'll get their exponents. So the exponent of the first factor is 2. And we're adding 1. And then the exponent of the second factor is also 2. And we're going to have to add 1, 2. So that's going to be 3 times 3 in here. So it's equal to 9. So the formula for counting the number of factors of a number is to get the prime factorization and then get their exponents. Then add 1 to each exponent. And then multiply them all together. Okay? Next number. The sum of positive numbers A and B is 280. A is 3 times of B. Find the value of A. So to know how they got this equation, let's have the sum of positive numbers A and B is 280. We also know that A is 3 times of B. So we just replace the A in this equation with 3B. So now it becomes 3B plus B is 280. Okay, and then adding up, we have 4B is 280. And dividing both sides by 4, you can cancel them out and have 280 divided by 4, which is 70. So now that we know the value of A, and we know that the value of B, and we know that A is 3 times of B, we just have to multiply 3. So 3 times 70 is 210.
Nhỏ ra con thấy
Nhỏ quá nè.
đúng rồi.
Next question.
Đâu có
Find the highest common factor of 16, 18, and 24. Okay, to find it, you're gonna have to get the prime. Okay. There are 30 questions, guys. And
Mày biết làm không?
we took a break earlier, right? Oh, hindi pa pala. Okay, sige. Let's have a 10-minute break. Okay, 5 minutes, sorry. Because we're late. I'm gonna give you guys 5 minutes. You can go have a snack. Come back after 5 minutes.
5 minutes to rest.
Yeah, go drink or something. You can go grab a drink or grab a snack. I'm gonna wait for you guys.
Để mẹ tìm hiểu cho.
I'm going to eat lunch.
Oh, you haven't had lunch? Okay.
I did not have lunch.
Me too. I
Okay.
only
Không mình
Come back
phát
after
sợ
10 minutes,
là gì
guys.
con biết không?
Okay. Okay, you can have 10 minute break.
Can be rename nè, as grade đó, grade gì đấy?
Okay, I'm gonna put it back to number 16.
Là gì? Cũng không hiểu luôn.
Chưa học mấy từ này.
Bài này sao?
All right.
Thôi mẹ chụp hình lại.
Biết rồi.
Biết rồi thôi đúng không?
Bài này giảng chứ.
Bài này lúc này thầy dạy rồi.
Guys, come back
Bài
after at 12:30. I'm gonna speed it up, okay? I'll wait for you guys. Go have lunch. Okay, if you guys have questions, you can type them now. Okay. But if you finish the paper early, you can pass it. You can pass it early too. Oh, wait, I'm not sure actually. Oh, you have to wait in your seat if you finish early. If you are competing on site, you're gonna have to stay in your seat until 2 hours are up, because your test has to be you're allotted 120 minutes for your test, right? So you're gonna have to stay in your seat even if you finish early, I think. But you can always ask them. Okay, number 16. Okay. I'll wait for you guys, okay? Go eat. Come back at 12:30. I'm gonna speed up the other items. And then once we finish, you can ask questions afterwards if you want to.
Teacher, can you explain questions 17?
Let's wait for the others so that you guys can listen. At the same time, so that no one will miss the solution. But you can look and see if you can find it out. Okay, I'm just gonna repeat numbers. You can bring it back.
Teacher, can you help me explain question 5?
Yes, after this one. So for number 6, Amy and Bruce can take matches, in order.
No,
But they
question
can only
5.
take,
Question 5. Question 5.
yeah, I'll explain it after this one, okay? Wait a bit. But someone, I think, needs to explain it again. So since Amy and Bruce can take matches, but only 1 or 2 each time, she needs to make sure that after Bruce picks, diba, she picks first. But we don't know how many matches she needs to get in order to make sure that she wins in the end. So let's say that Bruce takes either 1 or 2. What she needs to do is make sure that get blank number of matches, so that when she adds the number
Wait,
that Bruce got,
but wait is
it's gonna
already
be
done.
equal to 3.
Wait time is already done.
No, it's not done, but someone
Oh,
asked.
just explaining the others.
Yes,
Question.
yes. Someone asked to explain. I'll continue number 17 at 12:30. For now, let me explain the previous ones to some students. Okay. So she needs to make sure that it adds up to 3. Why 3? Because 1 plus 2 here. 1 plus 2 is 3. She needs to make sure that what Bruce picks and what she picks will add up to 3. And then, so after that, once we know that, we can have the number of matches, their total 11. So we need to subtract 3 times the maximum number. How many 3s can we subtract from 11 before it becomes unable to subtract? Because it's gonna be negative. Before it becomes negative, well, it's gonna be 9. It's gonna be 3 3s. So 11 minus 9. We need to subtract a number that is a multiple of 3. Okay, but has to be the greatest multiple of 3 that you can subtract from 11. So that what's left will be less than 3. So in this case, what's happening? In this case, 11 minus 9, what is it? Oh no. In this case, that's 11 minus 9 is 2. This means that after they take in turns, that's gonna be 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. She was the last one. So if she picks 2 first, then there won't be anything left, and she'll be the last one to pick. So she wins. The number 6. It's almost time. It's time. Number 5. Let me just explain this first. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go back to this one after we finish all the others. So let's continue. It's already time. Find the highest common factor of
Yes, go right time.
16, 18, and 24. What?
Yes, go right time.
Yeah. Double time. So to get the number of factors, you need to get
I don't understand number 5.
the prime factorizations. Yeah, I'll go back to that one, guys. I'll go back to the prime. Wait, we need to get the prime factorizations of each of the numbers, which is written here. So 16 is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 18 is going to be 2 times 3 times 3. And 24 is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So do you guys know how they got that? Just have to keep dividing 16 into smaller numbers until you can't anymore. 16 is gonna be 8 times 2. 8 can be multiplied, can be gotten. You multiply 4 and 2. And 4 can be separated, divided in 2 times 2. That's how we got 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 in here. That's what we'll do for the rest of the numbers. And then look for a number that all three of them have. So you can see that it's here. We have 2 here. And that's the only one that they all have.
Teacher.
So next number. Yes?
What time do we end the class? I'm so hungry.
Oh, it's 1 p.m. We'll end at 1 p.m. You can go grab a snack as you listen. Okay?
No, but in Vietnam, we are 1:31 p.m.
Oh, the session is supposed to take 2 hours. But you guys can go grab a snack as you listen. Since I can't see you guys, you can just eat as you listen. So next, number 18. 3 minutes left. Yeah, I'll be quick. Find the least common multiple of 6, 9, and 12. So to do this, we need to do the same thing we did earlier. Get the prime factorization of each number.
20 minutes.
Oh, this is actually a different solution.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, but it's sort of
Sorry.
We can do the same thing we did earlier. So 6 is going to be 2 times 3. 9 is going to be 3 times 3. And 12 is going to be 2 times 2 times 3. Okay. Now we just have to bring down all the numbers. So bring down 2, bring down 3, bring down 3, and bring down 2. And then just evaluate this. What's 2 times 3? That's 6. Times 3, that's 18. And times 2, it's going to be 36. That's how we have this. Just get the prime factorization. Next number. So how many rectangles are there in the figure below?
Teacher, are we learning? Are we breaking? Are we breaking?
Đây là bài hình con rồi, viết thêm cái chấm ở đây.
Guys, turn off your mics if you're not gonna ask questions. So you can just count this one. First count the small one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
They just type it.
The bigger ones.
What if there are a lot of what if there are a lot of rectangles?
Well, okay, then you can use this method. So we're gonna count how many rectangles are on one side or on both sides. So on this side, there's 3. So like, yeah, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Subtract 1 plus 2 plus 3. Wonder why you have to multiply.
Teacher, are we done? Are we breaking?
Yes, we're done with the break. We're number 9.
May I answer this question?
Yeah? Would you like to answer it?
Yes.
All right, sure.
Okay, so
Okay. Go ahead.
in the figure below, we can see that there are it is 9 rectangles, but it's missing 1 rectangle. And for that, we need to calculate how many rectangles are there. So using this formula, we have to count how many rectangles are here. So example 1, 2 is 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. And then for the height, it's 1 plus 2 plus 3. That's 6. So 3 times 6, that's 18. So that's 18. So, and for this width here, we have, and for the bottom the bottom rectangle, what is wrong with my mouth, is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6, and then the height is 1 plus 2, that's 3. So then 3 times 6, that is 18. So we already have 18. And then we just need to subtract the overlapping. So we have 1 plus 2 is, well, 3, and then 1 plus 2 is still 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. And so we have 18 plus 18, that's 36, minus 9, that's 27.
Okay, very good. Basically, we have 1 here. We have 2, and we have the big one, that's 3. That's how we got this. It's the same thing for this side. There's 1 here, there's 2, and there's 3. That's the big one. So we multiply it. So that's why it's 1 plus 2 plus 3. Kasi there's 1, and then 1 here, 1 here. So that's 2 for this rectangle. So doing that and then multiplying them. So you have the same number of rectangles here. So we multiply the same values. When you subtract, okay, there's 1 missing here. There's 1. So that's gonna be 1 times, oh yeah. You're missing a rectangle, missing this one. You're also missing this one and this one. The same thing for the other side. It's gonna be 3, 1, 2, 3. It's also here 4, and then 5, 6, 7, big one, 8, and then the biggest one, 9. Because we don't have a rectangle here. That's why we subtract 9. Okay, so very good for that one. Number 20. The area of a rectangle is 20. The length is 5 times as the width. Find the value of the length. So you just have to divide the area of the rectangle by like this. Area of a rectangle is length times width. And the length is 5 times of the width. So 5 width. And then
Teacher, can I out?
As length is equal to 5 times the width. So we have 5 times width squared. Then divide both sides by 5. Cancel it. You have 4 is equal to the width of the square. The square of the width. Sorry. What's wrong with my mouth? So the width is 2. And we know that the length is 5 times the width. So just multiply this by 5. So the length is 10. Sorry, ano yun? What was that?
Can I out?
If you don't want to know the remaining questions, but I suggest you guys listen because most of these will probably appear on the test. Some of them, at least. We're almost done. We have 20 minutes left. So hang on, guys.
My God. This is basic elementary question. Because you just divide 42 by 3.
Yeah, it's so easy.
Yeah, it's an equilateral triangle is triangle that has an equal length of all the sides. Its sides are all equal. So just have to divide 42 by 3. Right. So that's gonna be 14. Number 22. A pyramid has 1001 vertices. how many edges does this pyramid have? Okay, so if you have a pyramid, its vertices will, let's let it be n. Wait, no. A vertex of a pyramid has n plus 1. Is n plus 1. So vertices is n plus 1. And the number of edges is going to be 2n. Okay. So now this is applicable for polygon. Wait, what's it called? The three-dimensional figures. The cubes, yeah, those ones. So we have the number of vertices, which is 1001. And so we know that n is going to be 1000, right? And so we can just substitute it to get the number of edges. So 2 times 1000, which is 2000.
Polygon!
Guys, please close your mic. Please close your mic, guys. You're almost there. Okay. Yes, you can go to the toilet.
Miss, I have a screenshotted number 21 and 22. Can you please show it?
All right. I can't remove the
Okay,
red
may
line.
you show me number 22, please?
All right.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue. So how many triangles are there in the figure below?
9.
Okay. First you can count the small ones. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then there's 2 big ones. This one, 1 and 2. So that's gonna be 9. Next question. At most, how many lines can be formed by using 15 points on a plane? So a line is formed with using 2 points, right? If we have 15 points, okay, let's say from any of the points, I'm gonna pick one. So how many choices do I have? So I have 15 choices, right? I have 15 choices of the first point. And then if I have to take the second point so that I can connect the dot, I can connect the points and form a line, I'm gonna have 14 left because I've already picked one the first time. So we have 14 here. We're gonna have to multiply that. So we also have to divide by 2 because let's say I pick the points are gonna be A, B, C, dot, 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 okay? Up to the 15th letter. So let's say I pick, at first I pick A. And then the second point, I'm gonna pick C, okay? If I pick again, let's say I picked C this time, and I picked A. That's gonna be the same line, right? So there are gonna be cases if we just multiply 15 times 14, that will like this, that will become like this. It's gonna correspond to the same line. So we have to divide it by 2, because some lines will have been repeated. Okay, so just solving this, canceling 2, we have 105. Okay, next question. So it is given that the total weight of 3 apples and 3 melons is 900 grams. The weight of a melon is the same as that of 2 apples. What is the weight of 1 apple? So to get this equation here, can just the total weight of 3 apples and 3 melons is 900. And the weight of a melon, the M, is the same as that of 2 apples. So I can just substitute 2A here instead of F. 3 times 2A. Okay, and so 6A. And adding them up, and A is 900. So then we can divide both sides by 9 and get A is equal to 100. And since the weight of a melon is the same as that of 2 apples, what's the weight of 1 apple? Oh, we're looking for 1 apple. So we already have the answer. 900 divided by this equation. Okay. Yeah. We divide 900 by 3 here because there are 3 apples and 3 melons each. Oh, wait. There are 3 apples and there
Yes,
are
I
3
just
melons.
accidentally solved it.
What?
I just accidentally solved it.
That's good.
I was doing like, so 1 melon is equal to 2 apples. So for example, 1 apple is equals to 100 and 1 melon is 200. And then when I checked, 200 times 3, 600, then 300 plus 600, 900. Now I accidentally solved it and now I know the answer.
That's good. But if you want to find out, if you don't want to just accidentally solve it next time, you can do this. So since they have the same number, the apples and melons, you can divide 900 by 3. And so we have 300.
I was just doing trial and error for fun because I didn't know any other solution. And then I just got the correct answer.
If you don't want to go, here, listen, okay? We know that 300 is the sum of 1 apple and 1 melon.
Yes, I prefer trial and error more.
It's gonna take a long time. So if you have the weight of an apple.
But if your first guess is near the answer, then it will be fast.
True. But you can't guess in the real exam. So since the weight of a melon is 2 apples, we have 2 plus 1 here. Because this is the melon and this is the apple. So divide it by 3, divide 300 by 3, and you're left with 100. That will be the weight of 1 apple. Number 26. Oh, I think we already had this one. So if Andy goes from point B to point A, each step can only move down or left. How many ways or are there?
Me.
Okay, guys, you have to listen, okay? We're almost done. So there are how many ways to go in this point? There's 1. I'm just gonna write. There's also 1 way to go into this point. There's also 1 way to go to this point. From point B, okay? Next, there's 1 way to go to this point, and to this point. Next, we have to go down to left until we get to A. So how many ways to get to this point? We have to add 1 and 1 here. So there's 2. Because we can go either here or here. Okay, so it's 2. There's 2 ways to go to that point. If we just keep adding, okay, we can add here to go to this point.
I just realized it's baliktad.
2. Oh, wait. We can go, we add 2 and 1 to get to here. So that's 3. And we add 3 and 1 to get to here. To this point. Okay. Let's keep moving. So we add, there's only 1 way to get here from B. There's only 1 way to get
2, 3.
2 ways to get there.
3 and 3.
And there's 1 ways to get. There's 3 here because we add 1 and 2. And then we add, get here, we add 3 and 3. So 6.
3 and 2.
And then we add 6 and 4. So that's 10 here. 10 ways here. Okay, for the rest, we have 5 here. We add them to get 11. So adding 11 plus 10 is 21. And we're at our destination. So in total, there are 21 ways to get from B to A if you move down or left. Okay, you can add. So let's move on. Andy has 27 $1 and $2 coins altogether. He has $35 in total. So how many $2 coins does he have? Okay. Oh, minus 1 times 27. Okay. Let's say for now that Andy has 27 $1 coins. Okay. He has no $2 coins. Well, that will be equal to $27. So in order to get to $35, we're missing, how many dollars are missing? 35 minus 27 is 8. So we're missing $8. We know that if we replace a $1 with a $2 coin, it's gonna go up bit by bit by $1. So let's say, at first we said that there were 28 $1, right? 27 $1 coins. So let's say that there's 26 $1 coins this time. So now it's 26 $1 coins and 1 $2 coin. That's gonna be equal to 6 plus 2 is 28. So it's increasing by 1, right? So you just have to get to there faster. We can have 27. Let's have a table. It's $1 here, and then number of $2. So at first we had.
Miss, not meaning to disturb you. May
0.
I?
Then if we have $2, it's gonna
26.
increase by 1. It's gonna become 28. So if we have $2, it's gonna become 29. So until you get to 3, 4, 6, 7. How much is that? It's gonna be 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 8. It's gonna be 35. So the answer is Andy has 8 $2 coins. Next number.
Miss.
Yes?
May I have a screenshot of number 26?
Okay. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, Miss.
Sure. What number are we? Number 28. How many 2-digit numbers is or are there such that the number contains the digit 0? Yes, 0. We can count this one because the only 2-digit number. Okay, we need 2 digits, right?
9.
So the only 2-digit number that has 0 is if it's in this spot, in the unit digit.
Teacher, 9.
You can tell that 10 is, there's 10, there's 20, there's 10, there's 20, up until 90. And that's the only 2-digit numbers that have the digit 0. Because 0 can't go in this spot, right? Because it's gonna become a 1 digit. So it has to be in the unit place. Okay, so there are total of 9 two-digit numbers that have the digit 0. There's 9 of them. So next, use the digits 1, 2, 3, and 4 to form a 4-digit number such that the tens digit and the thousands digit are odd, while the hundreds digit and the units digits are even. How many such 4-digit numbers are there?
Miss,
Yes?
okay, could I CR?
Yes, you can. Don't hold your guy. You can go to the bathroom anytime. Okay, so we're almost done. Hang in there. We have to use the digits.
Miss, may I have 28?
2, 3, and 4. Okay. There's no enough for this one. So what are the odds digit and what are the even digits? We have 1 and 3 for odd. We have 2 and 4 for even. So let's say the tens digit and the thousands digit are odd. You can have you can pick from 2 odd numbers, right? For the tens digit and the thousands digit. So if we pick one, I'm picking one for the tens for the thousands digit. So the other one's gonna have to automatically go here. And since the hundreds digit and the unit digit are even, this one. I have 2 numbers to pick from for the hundreds digit. So I write 2 here. And then there's gonna be 1 left. So I'll write 1 left. So how many 4-digit numbers are there? Just have to multiply 2 times 2 times 1 times 2. It's gonna be 4. So let's say I have an example. It's add here, right? So 3,100. And then it's either 24 here or 3, 4, 1, 2. And then can be either 1, 3, and then 2, 4, or 3, 1, and 2, 4. 3, 1, 2, 4. 3, 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay, next question. Find the largest sum by using all 10 digits from 0 to 9 without repetition. Guys, please mute your mic to form 2 5-digit numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the largest sum, if we have to get the largest sum, then we need to have 9 in the place where there's the most value. So of course, it's gonna be in the 10,000 digit. And then we can either put 8 next, here or here. But what will result in a bigger number? Of course, is if we put the 8 in the 10,000 place as well. So just think here. You can just put one solid. You can what's it called? The word go from this number to this number as you decrease, as you go lower. So 9, 8, and then 7, 6, and then 5, 4, and then 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay.
In other words, the most balanced, where the biggest ones are have the highest place. So 9 and 8, 7 and 6, 5 and 4, 2 and 3, and 1 and 0. Split.
You have to place the
Because the
higher digits.
Yeah, the higher digit with the higher places, the more value, while the lower digits with the higher places, small value.
Okay. Okay, good job. Next one. So, any questions? That's the final item.
Number 20.
Oh no, bye-bye. No.
Teacher, what is
Yes?
the answers of question 5? What is
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
What is the answer of question 5?
Bye-bye.
Question
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Wait.
Goodbye, teacher. See you.
Miss, number
Goodbye.
5, please.
Goodbye, teacher.
Miss,
Goodbye, teacher. See you.
Bye.
Nói tiếng Việt đi.
Miss, number 5, please.
Oh, number 5.
You.
Goodbye, teacher. Okay.
Guys, wait. I can understand.
Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Teacher, are there extra points for
Wait, sorry, what was that?
Teacher, can I take a separate shout of number 5? What is the answers of question 5?
Oh, question 5. Let's go back. Let me go back.
Your time is dark now. So dark.
Oh, yeah. It's a bit late.
Mẹ ơi, thoát ra đâu rồi?
What is your time now?
Lát nữa tự thoát.
What is your time now?
Wait, let me see.
Đây á. Ở bên góc có chữ R thở phòng đây.
Here it is.
Teacher, what's your time?
It's 1:03 here.
1 p.m.?
Yes, 1 p.m.
I thought 1 a.m. 1
No,
a.m.
it's 1 p.m.
1 a.m. would
Bye,
be
guys.
great.
Here's number 5.
Teacher,
28,
Yes?
please.
teacher, are there extra points for solutions?
Nope.
In the test? Yeah, there's no. You're only gonna look at your answers.
Oh.
Coach, what country are you in?
Okay.
28, please.
What's the question?
28,
What
please.
country are you?
28.
28.
What the hell? There are 26 people.
Đi nào?
28? Okay. For this one, you have...
And 20, please. 20.
Yeah.
Teacher, can you show me number 4 answers?
Number
I forgot
4?
to take number 4.
Okay. Good luck, guys.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Number 4.
Where do you from? Done, teacher. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Where are you from?
This one, how about
Where are you from, teacher?
I'm from the Philippines.
Miss, can you repeat number 5?
Oh,
thank you.
Teacher, my mother said that you're very beautiful.
Thank you.
Miss, I didn't understand number 5. Can you repeat it, please?
Yeah, can I
Wait.
leave?
Yes.
Thank you.
Can I leave, teacher?
Yes, you can leave, guys.
Okay, thank you so much.
Let me repeat this one. So,
Can you open number 19 again?
wait a bit. Right. If you have other requests, let me just finish it so that we can solve number 5. Okay. For this one, you can count the number of rectangles.
Teacher, can you explain question 23?
Okay, wait. Let me finish number 5 first. Okay, so now we add 2 numbers. So let's say this number. Oh. Wait. Let's say this number and this number. Okay, once numbers 10 digit is written from 4 correctly to 8 wrongly. And another number's hundreds digit is written from 6 correctly to 2 wrongly. The sum is 7,328. What is the correct sum?
Teacher, can you
basically
open
we added
6?
What?
26. Can you open number 26?
Okay. Okay, this is the last one. Then I'm gonna solve number 5. No. 26. Okay. Just screenshot it now. Should I record it?